Trade unions in Shillong, under the banner of the Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Unions and Association, convened at the additional parking lot to commemorate May Day. Led by President J.L. Das and General Secretary Edward Lynching, the event served as a poignant reminder of the labour movement's global impact and the ongoing struggle for workers' rights. Amidst the observance of the significant day, the Council articulated a series of demands aimed at addressing contemporary labour issues.
ESP and Light Comfort said last time.
And by tomorrow we will circulate it and we will send the copy to the respective place. Because on the spot we have adopted some resolution and that declaration that we have, but some special resolution were adopted that will be circulated tomorrow.